Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for May 2021. So let's begin. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's pink with these designs on there with the rose gold zipper. Okay, so every month they do give a card. Sometimes it has the information of what's inside, sometimes not. It does have it this time, and if not, you can always look it up on their website or online. But this is May. The theme is flower power, and because of Mother's Day, it says Mother's Day. We love moms. They got a giveaway, and these are the stuff inside. So let's begin. So the first item I see is this Amino Bubble pH Cleanser, Fresh Moisturizing. It's a mild foam cleanser. Okay, so it's closed. Once you open it, it starts expiring. And that item is a deluxe size sample, but the full size retails for $15. It's by Lux and May Cosmetic. Okay, the next item is the Sella Cream Rosé Body Lotion, and this is a deluxe sample as well. And the retail value of the full-size version is $32. And this one's closed as well, or start expiring. Tells you how many months it'll be good for after it's opened there. That's 12 months. Okay, so the next item is this lip balm, hydrating lip balm, Watermelon, Jersey Shore Cosmetics, and this retails for $10. This is the actual full-size one. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, does smell like watermelon, but it's like the sugary kind, like, you know, it's artificial, but like smells good. It says it has vitamin E and cocoa butter. Okay, yeah, it does say the scent is a throwback to fruity lip balms of our childhood. Has sunflower oil as well. Okay, cool. Okay, and the next item is the Balm. What is this? It's a tinted moisturizer. Okay, so this is in the number 10. It's a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $24. So yeah, I'll try it out later. This is closed, but yeah, you know what, I will open it. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, has a lot of color for being just a moisturizer. Wow. Okay. It looks more like a foundation, but like a light one. Okay, interesting. We'll see. Okay. Maybe if you use a better blender, it'll be better. And there is one last item in here. It says Stuck On You Eye Primer by the Beauty Crop. And this retails for $16.50. And this is the full size. So it helps your eyeshadow stay on all day. Okay. Cool. Oh, this is closed. You know what? I'm not gonna use it right now, so I don't think I'll open it, but that's what it looks like. It's this creamy color, as you can see there too. Yeah, so that's it for this bag, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.